Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the environment and taking the first snapshot. You must confirm storage capacity and the exact target, VM, disk, or dataset, so you don't interrupt services. Once identified, open the snapshot tool or console and choose a clear name with a timestamp. Run the snapshot command or click Create. This captures a point-in-time copy quickly. Make sure to note the snapshot ID for follow-up steps and to avoid accidental overwrites. You now validate and manage the snapshot to keep it useful. First, run integrity checks, Checksum or your validation tool to confirm a clean copy. Once validated, register the snapshot in your inventory and tag it with purpose, owner, and retention policy so others understand its role. Then apply lifecycle rules, replication to another region if needed, retention time, and automated pruning. These steps prevent storage bloat and ensure you finish by restoring and confirming the snapshot works as intended. First, perform a test restore to a staging environment. Do not restore directly into production. Once restored, verify data consistency and monitor performance to ensure apps behave normally. If everything looks good, plan the production restore window and notify stakeholders. If a restore fails, immediately check snapshot logs, storage health, and permission issues. Often a corrupted snapshot or insufficient I/O is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.